Sorry, he's here.
Certain BPWH project, blood control projects. Bago ko po ilahad ang aking nalalaman sa mga bagay na nais tumbukin na kagalang-galang na Blue Ribbon Committee, ako po
Today is another.
sa aking maling nagawa. Ako
He
po
lost
ay
his
hindi
iPad.
pinagtatat sa pagpapatupad
It's a
ng
lazy
tungkulin
baby.
na pinagkatiwala sa akin ng ating pamahalaan
Wake up,
at sambayanan.
Sweetheart. Wake up.
Taus-puso at puno ng pagsisisi.
Your alarm is out. You have to go to
Kapatawaran sa
school.
Diyos sa ating bansa
More
at mga
minutes,
kababayan.
please, Mom.
Gayon din
Okay,
sa
5
aking
more
pamilya,
minutes. I'm gonna go wake up
mga
your sister.
kaibigan at sa lahat ng
So
aking
she take 10
binubuo.
minutes. And
Nakagawa po
doesn't
ako
do the
ng
puppy eyes.
pagkakamali
She always
at
learns how to
pinahintulutan
do
ko
the
po ang
puppy
aking
eyes.
sarili
Something
na
she
maging
doesn't know how.
kasangkapan sa
Maybe
pagpapatupad
it's time for
ng isang
school.
masamang gawain. Handa po ako gawin ang lahat ng
Puppy
nararapat
eyes.
upang
Say no
maiwasan
to
ang aking
the
kamalian at
baby,
maiwasan na ito'y mangyari muli.
please. Okay,
I
fine.
wish to
You're
assure
not
the
going to
Honorable
school.
Blue
Your
Ribbon
brother
Committee
is.
of my full cooperation
Thank you,
with
sis.
investigation.
Not going
I am
to.
submitting an affidavit outlining my knowledge and of and involvement in
5 minutes
certain
is done.
material to the subject of investigation. Moreover,
Take a bath
I will
and
disclose and expound
and-
on related incidents within
Just
my personal
that.
knowledge.
just pretend.
Mindful
Just pretend.
not only of the
pretend.
materiality of my testimony, but also of my
Just
rights,
pretend he's
as well
wearing
as
it.
fearful of what effects my disclosures will have on my family's safety and well-being. I have applied before the Department of Justice for coverage as a state witness under Republic Act number 6981, otherwise known as Witness Protection, Security and
Coming
Benefits
a
Act.
beautiful
I
hair.
hope the Honorable Blue Ribbon Committee will find merit in my application and favorably endorse the same to the DOJ. With the assurance of the Honorable Blue Ribbon Committee that my rights and benefits under
I mean,
respected,
I'm
I
done.
am prepared to
Alright,
submit
now go
the
to
aforesaid affidavit to
bed.
Honorable Blue Ribbon
But I
Committee
don't have a
and swear
bag.
to end
Oh yeah,
and
I
swear to
remember.
and testify on the same. With the approval of the Honorable DOJ Secretary to the disclosure thereof for such purposes. The highly sensitive nature of the disclosures made in my affidavit
Which
cannot
bag
be stressed
should
enough.
we use?
These deal
Maybe
with
this bag?
involvement in
I'm just gonna
irregularities
bring my
of 4
iPad
senators
and my
and 1
books.
congressman, 1 member
Your
of the
books? Okay,
Constitutional
that's
Commission,
alright.
and 1 undersecretary, seriously undermining public trust
Oh, I need
in
some
2 out
water.
of 3
Water?
branches
Okay, I'm
of
gonna
our
get you
government
some
and a
downstairs.
constitutional
I mean,
body,
sis,
thereby poses
why
a
do you keep
significant
calling me mom?
threat
You're just
to our
like my
national
old mom.
security as it may lead to political instability which may weaken
Wait here and figure out where's the code.
about this application for admission into the program.
Your Honor, we will have to evaluate the statements
Here's your
in
water.
relation to
Thank you so much, Mom.
other
I'm going now.
testimonies that we have done
I mean, sis.
in the
wait,
DOJ
where's the
and in
code?
Blue Ribbon Committee.
Find it. I'm going
The
upstairs.
Senate President.
We would like to listen to your sworn affidavit if you have one, or an affidavit that you will swear to. Otherwise, those are mere statements.
Finally, I got a break. Science?
Filipino,
Science,
a resident of Malolos City, Bulacan, under oath, deposed and state. In connection with the ongoing Senate Blue Ribbon Committee investigations, I intend to submit
Yep,
this
that's
affidavit
still the
which
same.
provides details of my knowledge about matters within my jurisdiction
Sweetheart.
related to flood control projects when I was still
Jessica,
serving as Undersecretary
sweetie.
of Operations
Oh,
to the
nom, nom,
Department
nom.
of Public Works and Highways. This affidavit lays out details.
Sorry, excuse me. You have your counsel now with you?
Cesar. Yes,
So
okay, on record.
my flipping room.
This affidavit lays out details of the involvement
Oh my
of
God, I
legislators
take care
as
of
well as
all
other
that.
government officials
Wake up.
with the commitment on my part to expand this disclosure as my best recollection of
I
facts
don't
and
wanna go
records
to
may serve.
school.
Since
I
the
don't wanna
number
go
three,
to
since the
school.
receipt
I'm not going to
an
go.
invitation to appear in
You
these
just need to go
proceedings,
to your
I began collating,
brother and ask him
vetting, and
something. I
consolidating
need
all
to
written
get the thing.
communications,
A
documents,
break.
tables,
Okay.
and matrices, and lists in my possession, the retrieval of which has been difficult since I retired from public service last August 2025. With the benefit of more time and greater freedom to access files, I am confident that I can provide even more material and relevant evidence that would clarify the issues once and for all.
Sweetheart, go.
Number 4. More importantly, I am executing and
Sweetheart,
submitting
go
this
to your
affidavit
homework.
with my full
Okay.
and absolute consent as an integral part
Hi,
of my
Mommy.
application
Some
to be
break.
admitted under the Witness Protection Program through the favorable recommendations of the Honorable Chairman of the
Juice?
Durable Committee,
And that's
Senator
what
Ping
the...
Lacson, and the Honorable Senate President Tito Soto under Section 4 as well as Section 10 of Republic Act number 6181, otherwise known as Witness Protection, Security and Benefit Act.
Ha ha ha, this face is so funny. Accidentally. Why do I hear laughing? Why are you not doing your homework?
Si Elamo, 62 years old. Isa pong mananalo.
You saw nothing. I'm not. I am doing my homework.
Dahil sa baguhan kami sa larangan ng negosyo, may pagkakataon na kinakapos kami sa
Look, I am doing my homework. You saw nothing.
Meron ka nandiyan sa akin
1 minute.
isang app. At yun ay
That was
nanood
just
ako
1 second.
At laking tuwa
That
ko
was-
sa Tekkas
that was
na
just
na-upload
2
yung
minutes.
Maraming
Oh my
salamat,
goodness.
Tekkas, dahil sa pagkakataon na binigay mo para mapaunlad ang
Still,
aming
with those
negosyo.
puppy eyes, you look so cute. I'm not gonna ground you. But still, with those puppy eyes, I'm
Attest
still
and
not gonna
confirm
ground
that the
you.
names, dates, and transactions mentioned hereunder are
Yay!
based on my direct
Thank you,
personal knowledge
Sissy.
and
You're
have
the
ample
best.
documentary support where necessary or desirable
I
if
mean,
given full
he
opportunities to
has
retrieve
no one.
the same.
Carry on.
Background facts. I earned my bachelor's degree in science, Bachelor of Science in Civil
Wow,
Engineering
wow,
in
wow.
1984. I'm a registered civil engineer by profession.
I miss her.
In the year 1985, I began my 40-year
I
stint
miss
in
her
the
being
DPWH
normal.
as a
I'm
laborer.
just gonna go
I
back
then
to
climbed
sleep.
the ranks through the years as Associate Civil Engineer, Engineer 2, Engineer 3, and as Assistant District Engineer, District Engineer,
Am I
Assistant
almost
Regional
done?
Director.
Huh?
I
Am
then
I almost
became
done? I
Assistant Regional
forgot
Director
I have
CS4
breaky
sometime in
time.
2012,
What am I
until
doing
my
without
appointment
breaky
as
time?
Assistant Secretary
Am I
in
dumb?
2016. I finally became Undersecretary more than a year later and remained such until my retirement in August 2025. I met former District Engineer Henry Alcantara during my assignment in the Laguna 2nd District Engineering Office. Engineer Alcantara, Engineer Bryce Hernandez, Engineer J.P. Mendoza, and Engineer Alvin Dumasing all belong to the Bulacan First DEA.
That's
2020-2040 scheme. Sometime after the State of the Nation address of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. in July 2025, and while I was already on sick leave,
I almost done. I have 10 minutes short.
that Engineer Alcantara, Engineer Hernandez, Engineer Mendoza, and Engineer Dumasi were engaged in contracting activities using the licenses of other contractors. Subsequently, Engineer Hernandez confirmed this arrangement through one of the judicial hearings and by
Am I
other
almost done?
contractors whose
I
license
am
they
at
used.
10 minutes short.
According to Bryce Hernandez, their sharing is 20-20-20-40%.
Am I almost done? I
for
think I'm
these activities.
almost.
My understanding
I'm
is that they
done.
had prepared and
Because
signed
it's
documents for purposes
12:80.
of collecting payments, which they then apportioned the
Yay!
profits
I can
amongst
finally
themselves.
now go play
However, I must
outside.
admit that I have no personal knowledge on the exact actions they took to accomplish this
And
scheme,
play
and I
on
can
my
only be asked
phone.
general questions on the systems in place that would have allowed this modus
I'm gonna
operandi to
put my
happen. I categorically state that I have neither knowledge nor participation in these business activities, which were entirely done by Engineer Alcantara, Engineer Hernandez, Engineer
I'm gonna take
Mendoza,
out my
and
phone
Engineer
and
Tomasik
play
on their own.
something else.
Those projects. At about the same time, after the 2025
I
SONA,
don't make
I
the
also
sound.
heard for the first time that aside from the 2020-2040 scheme, there are
Who's
flood
calling?
control projects, those projects for which
my
Engineer
phone.
Alcantara, Engineer Hernandez,
But my phone is
Engineer
not here.
Mendoza,
I
and
want to
Engineer
look
Tomasik
outside.
were also
I'm just going
responsible.
back to sleep.
These were confirmed later by Secretary Bunaan during a
You are the
separate
only
legislative
people
hearing.
see awake.
I called up Engineer Alcantara to ask him about
Oh, I'm sorry.
this flood control, those
But can I
projects.
come up your
He denied
place?
any participation.
Please?
Subsequently,
Sure!
he likewise told me that he even convened the
Thank you
officers
so
of
much.
Bulacan
We're
First
gonna
Division
have
to
so much
confront them
fun.
about these
Yes.
first projects, and that some officers, it was
Bye-bye.
Engineer Hernandez,
Bye.
who was the primary person responsible for the same.
We're gonna
In the
have
exact words
so
of
many
Engineer
fun.
Alcantara, si Bryce
Let's
Kuyan,
pretend they're
I
right.
have neither knowledge nor participation in these flood control ghost projects.
Okay. I don't
Congressman
know
Saldico,
what to make.
my personal knowledge regarding Congressman Saldico are set
Remember.
out as follows. Congressman Saldico one time called me to say that he met Engineer Alcantara and wanted to confirm, maayos bang kausap si Engineer Alcantara? To which I replied,
Guys,
maayos ba?
just pretend
Engineer
that this is
Alcantara
a girl.
told me
Girlie,
that
I'm
Kong Saldico
here.
was asking for a
Oh my
25%
god.
commission,
Hi, girlie.
and
I
out of that
missed
amount,
you.
2% was to be shared
Same.
equally
Oh my god, what's
between
touching my
Engineer
hair?
Alcantara and
Yes,
myself.
sir. But don't
In his
touch
exact
my
words, Boss, hati na tayo sa 2%. Furthermore, Engineer
Better
Alcantara
call.
would tell me every time that he made deliveries of cash to Congressman Zaldico in compliance with his commitment to Congressman Zaldico. In this affidavit, I shall mention my personal knowledge regarding Senator Chis Escudero as follows. Maynard Gu and I are close friends, and we go years back. He is also a close friend and campaign contributor of Senator Chis Escudero. Maynard Gu asked me to submit a list of projects. I personally submitted a list of projects to Maynard Gu, and some of the items therein pertaining to Valenzuela and Maynard projects were subsequently included in the
You guys heard my
a copy of the
whisper?
list. And in relation to the commitment, I
I'm
asked
thirsty.
Boss
Yes,
Santo,
you are, but we cannot make so much noises.
I asked,
Oops, okay, there
after
you go.
inclusion of the projects in the GAA, I
Oh,
delivered 20%
sweet.
of approximately
You
800
for real,
million
girl.
or about
Don't
160 billion
don't ask me
to
what to do.
Maynard Gu, which was finally
Dun, dun, dun.
is a list of
Weirdo.
subsequently I submitted this list to the secretary. Using the boulevard
Here's the
that
pay.
the commitment is 15%. In his words, Boss,
Okay, thank you, and you guys need to stay here
thereafter,
so we can
always
catch.
seek a special allotment.
No, we're gonna not. No, you're staying here. No, you're staying here. No! Don't you dare do that to me. Give me 100 bucks. I already did. Fine, I will let you go this time. What a weirdo. Yeah, for real. People are scared to adopt babies. What?
Contributions for his
Give me the drink.
Engineer Alcantara collected the 25%
Where's straw?
commitment, or about 125 million, which was turned over to me and then delivered to Senator Revilla in his house in Cavite. Senator Nancy Binay. Sometime in the year 2024, Carlin P. Senator Binay
Twins. Hey,
boldly
that's
asked
mine. That's
for
mine.
a commitment which was set at 60% of the total amount of the projects indicated in the list here to attach as Annex D. I relate the 15% commitment to Engineer Alcantara. Engineer Alcantara collected 50% commitment for about 37 million, which was turned over to me, and which I then delivered to Senator Binay at a house in Quezon City. Given the complexities of the transactions and personalities involved,
Dinner time.
the reserve the right to submit
Dinner time. Wake up, ugly kids. Dinner time.
I attest to the truth of the foregoing statements based on my personal knowledge and authentic records.
You can stay in
If
bed.
witnesses are wrong, I will be affixing my signature. September 2025. Mr. Chair.
Yes, ma'am, we sign the affidavit in the presence of
Mr. Chair, I've already signed it.
Dinner
the record. Sign
time.
the same affidavit that you read. Yes. Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat.
Dinner time.
After hearing this topic, Mr. President excludes one of the defendants that has under his watch. May I respectfully ask one of the DOJ have an evaluation of Mr.
Pretend that they passed over the car.
gravity of the situation and the fact that we will have to really
What's today's
overtime
food?
on legal matters
Do the
that
same
are
thing.
needed or
Do the
necessary
same.
legal matters so that we can preserve
Yes, Pooh.
the monies and other things that are involved in this.
Wake up!
Thank you, Secretary Remulla. Wait,
No need to shout. Oh, I'm sorry, my angel.
Mr. Chair, I am going to consume my time by making a
Wake up!
disclosure. Kahapon po, mga pasado po alas 2 ng hapon. Tumawag po sa
Good
akin
job.
si
Ew,
former Congressman Mike Defensor. Tinanong ko po
Yes,
kung
a
ano
lot.
ang kailangan niya. Meron daw pong isang tao
Get up.
na matagal na po niya kung gustong kausapin para
Let's
sa
go,
isang
Baldies.
paglalakad
Wake up!
na kanyang nalalaman tungkol po sa ating
I'm up. Stop copying me. Stop copying me.
Sabi ko,
Oh my goodness.
madali ba yan?
Line up
Meron kaming
or
session na uumpisa yung mga stress. Sandali lang ito, sabi niya, kasi nandito lang naman kami rito sa may Golden China. Ito po restaurant malapit sa atin. 5 minuto lang po siguro mararating natin.
line
So ako po
Up
ay
or
nagparaan na
else?
po kung sino yung sinasabi niya tao. Kasi po meron na raw po siyang draft na salaysay na
should learn
gusto ko
how.
raw pong makita.
I'm
So,
gonna be
Mr. Chair,
my
ako
sissy.
po
I
ay
can be your new
nagtulak
sissy.
para makita kung talagang
Line
ng
up,
ganung
you
tao.
stupid
Meron
weirdos.
akong gustong isalaysay. Nakita ko po yung tao at pinabasa
This
niya
is
po
where
sa
they
akin
get
yung isang
spanked
salaysay
in the
na
pole.
nakaporma na po.
Who wants
Binasa
to
ko
get
po.
who wants to get
Yung
spanked
pong
in the
salaysay na yun
butt?
ay
In the
nagsasabi
butt,
ng
I
kanyang
meant.
pagkalungkot at
Hold
siguro
me.
pagkabahala, sabi niya,
Hold me.
na bakit nangyayari sa
What I
ating bansa.
had to learn.
Nalulungkot siya, Mr. Chair, sapagkat
Never mind.
meron siyang partisipasyon doon eh.
Hold me, baby.
At nung nakita ko ang kabuuan ng kanyang salaysay,
I'm scared.
meron po siyang personal na kaalaman
Now,
para
follow
ikonekta si
us.
Representative Salvador
Coming.
kay
Follow us,
Speaker
you boo.
Martin Romualdez. Sabi ko, hindi ako
Sit.
pwedeng magtagal. Nabasa ko
I
dito,
said sit.
ako sa aming session alas 3. Pero kung talagang ikaw ay voluntary mong gustong gawin yan sa ayon sa iyong nilalahad dito,
Tama ba?
di sige, i-finalize mo yan. At gusto mo, ipanotary mo sapagkat hindi po pwedeng hindi notaryado yan. At kung buo ang loob mo at talagang yan ay matagal mo nang iniisip, pumunta ka ako bukas ng umaga sapagkat meron kaming pagdinig. Mr. Chair, nandito po yung tao.
Good. Now,
Tawag ko po yung ilang piraso ng kanyang sinumpang salaysay.
Jesus, I'm not
pwede po sana natin siyang tawagin ngayon. Para
Oh
ngayon,
my goodness, why are you so strict?
yan salaysay sa ating gitna.
So,
You may call him.
Mr. Chair, I'm
who
calling
wanted this?
Mr. Orly Reyes.
Line up, you stupid weirdos.
Para po humarap sa atin, Mr. Gutesa, kayo po ay
Uh,
umupo dito.
I mean, but
Pakibigyan mo.
because I'm Filipino.
Bigyan mo si...
My sweet tayo, can you please get
Bigyan mo si...
for 1 minute, please? 5 minutes.
Manatili ka muna nakatayo kasi nung pa.
My stomach's hurt. My tummy hurts. 5 more minutes, please. I don't want to go to school. My,
Truth, the whole truth,
my,
and nothing but the truth in this proceeding.
I'm sick. You're sick?
Salamat.
Don't worry,
You may proceed.
What?
You may continue.
I'm back. Because I will miss Filipino.
Mr. Gutesa, kanina ako'y nagpapaliwanag para ipakilala kita. Narinig mo yung aking sinabi.
Why are you crying?
Yes, sir.
Pwede mo bang
My
i-confirm
daughter,
na
she's sick.
kung ano yung sinabi ko ay yun nangyari kahapon?
My daughter, she is
I confirm it, Your Honor.
Salamat po. At ngayon po ay hawak ko na ang inyong sinumpaang salaysay na nung draft ito ay binasa ko. Ganun din nga po at wala namang pagbabago.
Han, could you please wake up?
Gusto ko lamang pong sabihin ninyo na merong pirma sa ibabaw ng pangalang Orly Regalo Gutesa. Kayo po ba ang nagpirma nito?
I confirm, Your Honor.
At kaya po sinabi niyo sa akin kahapon, voluntaryo niyo ginawa ito. Kaso wala namang nabilisin niyo. At katumahan niya, ako nga po ay hindi niya ihali para makita ko yung salaysay.
Yes, Your Honor.
At po ay pinanotaryo ninyo, nakikita ko rin po, totoo po ba itong notaryo nito?
I'm scared to
Opo, Your Honor.
Ngayon, kayo na po ang magbasa para sa ganun ay narinig po na tulungan. Pwede po yung basahin ang inyong salaysay.
Maraming salamat, Your
Everyone, what food do you want? Bread. Peanut butter and bread.
Ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa
Spaghetti.
ito.
Pizza.
Sa Senate
I'll
Law Review
prepare a
Committee,
stupid order.
Senator Ping Lacson, sir.
First, spaghetti
At sa iba pang
martini.
member na nandito po. Ako po si Orly Gutesa, may asawa, nasa tamang edad.
Here's your
Pilipino.
stupid order. Say ah.
Tapos, nakapanumpa
Ah.
sa umiiral na batas ay
So hot, so hot, so hot,
ng
so hot, so hot, so hot.
Ako po ay lumabas upang
Next, you want pizza?
bilang isang dating sundalo.
You want pizza? Okay, I'll get your stupid pizza. Open wide.
Para sa ating sa pagkakataong ito, kung ito, nagdesisyon ako
So hot,
magsalita,
so hot, so hot.
basta dahil ayokong maging masama ang kinabukasan ng ating mga anak.
Hey, let me sit with my sister door.
Paano ba mga anak sino? Ibang anak na siya.
Ayoko pong naririnig kung napapanood kung sa pagdilid ng Blue Ribbon Committee. At ngayon,
And you?
pagdugtong-dugtong,
You little child. You want peanut butter and bread? Okay, I'll show you what's peanut butter and bread. Peanut.
yung palang pera na binubuhat namin at dinideliver mula sa masamang gawain
This
na
is
dulot
your peanut butter and bread.
tayo ng tao, imbis na gamitin ang pera sa edukasyon, imbis na programa, lamang pala sa pulsa ng mga politiko. Mabigat po sa ating magsalita dahil may pamilya ako. Apat ang anak ko, nag-aaral pa. May asawa ko at nangangalala sa akin.
You want a bread? Your bread?
Sa operasyon na may kinalaman.
I'll cook your hot bread for you.
Nagtatrabaho lang po kami ng mga kasama ko.
No.
Mga kasama ko. Sana isipin na aking mga kasama na nagtatrabaho. Ako sa aming trabaho na pinagsamahan dahil pare-parehas kaming may pamilya. Gusto lang naman namin ayusin
Oh,
ang
it's
kinabukasan
fully
ng bawat isa.
cooked. 3, 2, 1.
Lalo iniisip na kapamanan para sa kanila pagpos. Gusto ko lang
Yummy.
ayos ang kinabukasan ng bayan at lahat kami.
How? I mean,
Noong December 5, 2004, na-hire ako bilang security consultant sa Ako Bicol Party List
go back to
AKB
bed, you
kay
idiot.
Congressman Saldico. At nasimula ng duty ko kay Congressman Saldico.
I mean,
Bawat
here's
umaga,
time.
report ako
Here's
sa BGC sa Horizon, sa Bonifacio Global City, kung saan nakatira si Saldico.
She was the bravest one.
Tuwing may duty,
Huh? She's so
duty
brave.
active ako sa basura. It means itong basura, ito yung box ng pera
What was
na
this?
pinag-uusapan natin sa
Sir Gutesa, mag-stick ka lang sa binabasa mo. Huwag ka nang nag-aalit. Kung ano yung nandito, basahin mo lang.
Sige, Sir Ron. Tuwing may duty, detail ako sa basura. Pumupunta kami sa 20
Versus
Ladybug
us,
Corner,
predict
Tagumpay, Valley Verde 6, Pasig City.
So, what's this?
Nakabuhat lang ako ng malita ng basura.
No problem.
Ang ibig sabihin ng basura ay malita na may lamang pera. Ang bawat malita ay may lamang higit kumulang 48 million pesos.
Change into your pajamas. Thank you. This effort.
Ang bawat malita ay may post-it na nakadikit na nakasaad kung magkano ang
Yes.
laman ng bawat malita. Tuwing may duty detail sa basura, may pumupunta na tao na magde-deliver ng basura at nire-receive si John Paul Estrada at Mark Iksay. Ang mga executive assistant ni Congressman Saldico at sila ang mga detail sa mga kanyang activities. Ang mga nangyayari kapag duty kami sa basura. Kalimitang dinadala sa bahay ng Congressman Saldico sa Valley Verde 6 at tinatanggap naman ni Mark. Pagkatapos namin may baba ang nasabing basura, ipinapasok sa bahay ng Congressman Saldico sa Valley Verde 6 at binibilang ni Mark. Alam ko na ang laman ng malita ay pera sapagkat nakita ko si Paul na binuksan ang malita at inilabas ang laman para bilangin. Ang isang ehemplo na nagdala ng pera ay si Congressman Eric Yap ng AXIS Party List. 46 na malita ang dala niya sa bahay ni Congressman Saldico sa Valley Verde 6.
You're not going to hurt me.
Pagkatapos mabilang, isinakay namin sa mga sakyan patungo sa Horizon Residence sa Taguig
I thought it was about there.
at dumiretso kami sa basement upang may baba ang
Wait, I want something on it. Just
bago ibaba ang
I
nasabing
should
basura.
try out the grounded.
Ito,
Merong napuputol sa binabasa mo eh. Huwag kang magmadali. Huwag kang magmadali.
They're making different.
Ulitin mo yung paragraph 20.
Nabasa din pala ito, no?
hindi mo makita na putol na siya.
I'm trying to speak. Just trying. Just go to bed.
Pagkatapos, mabilang ay sinasakay namin sa mga sakyan patungo sa Horizon Residence. Pagdating sa Horizon Residence, dumidiretso kami sa basement upang may baba ang nasabing basura at dalhin sa unit ni Congressman Saldico sa 56th floor sa nasabing lugar kung saan
Takes
siya nakatira.
off clothes. This is not saucy, okay? Takes off pants.
Bago ibaba ang nasabing basura, ito ay bawas na. Halimbawa,
Thank you, Sissy.
nag
Akyat kami ng 4-6 na malita.
Thank you.
Ibababa lamang
Thank you,
namin
Sissy.
may 35
Oh,
malita
I'm not
para
looking.
i-deliver sa bahay ni House Speaker Martin
And then
Romualdez,
washes.
42
Yan!
Mackinley Street,
Yan!
Taguig.
Sit!
Why do you guys give
Ang
me?
11
I'll take it down. I'll take it off.
11 malita ay naiwan sa taas
I'll
ng
take
56th
it.
floor sa Horizon
Oh, yeah.
Residence.
It's off.
Humigit kumulang 3 beses ako mismo ang nag-deliver ng basura sa bahay ni Congressman Saldico,
About you?
sa
Yeah.
Horizon Residence at sa mga bahay ni Speaker Romualdez sa 42 Mackenzie Street, Taguig. Mas maraming pagkakataon nagde-deliver kami ng basura sa bahay ni Speaker Romualdez
Okay.
at sa bahay ni Congressman Saldico.
Sing lullaby.
Dahil iba-iba kami mga
lullaby.
naka-detailed na close-in,
Goes to
backup
sleep.
at advance party na nagkakaroon
Fine.
ng rotation.
Sleep.
Sa huli, ako po ay nagnanais na mapasailalim sa Witness Protection Program dahil alam ko po ang nanganib ang buhay ko at ang aking pamilya sa ginawa kong paglalahad nito. Sa katotohanan na ang lahat ay nilagdaan ko, ang salaysay nito ay kusang loob at walang anumang mamimilit at bunsod lamang na harin matulungan ang ating bansa.
Just take
Ito po
some.
ay nilagdaan ko. Your Honor.
Thank you, Orly. Before you proceed, meron lang ako papakitang litrato sa iyo. I-confirm mo, kasama na rin si Bryce, kung yan ba si Paul na binabanggit mo.
I confirm, Your Honor.
Yun nga po, Your Honor.
Okay, so, yeah, for the record, andito po yung litrato ng binabanggit na si Paul. Ganito. John Paul Estrada, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. You may continue, Senator Buklo. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Gutesa, dito sa iyong paglalahad ay gumawa ka ng isang paghalimbawa.
Okay, part
Ah,
4.